Good afternoon, Jacob with Red Rock Roofing, doing a roof inspection here on top of 1658 on Preshna's home. Usually we start on the ground, but it is a two-story, so we're going to start up here today. First thing I want to point out is the consistent granule loss in your gutter system. The granules coming off of the shingles and into the gutter system is pretty consistent, and I'm seeing quite a bit, so it's actually very excessive up here, which is why you're seeing a lot of these balding shingles. The next thing I want to point out is what's called soft metal damage. So what you can see on the soft metals here are sign and indicators of hail damage. Speaking of hail damage, next thing we want to look at is indicators of hail damage hitting the shingles. What that is the hail hits the shingles, dislodging the granules, showing the fiberglass underlayment underneath. Now, in this condition of this roof, it's really hard to identify what is hail damage and what is just normal wear and tear. I did circle a couple of spots to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking for. But again, that's going to be based off your insurance company. And in the future, I would say with the amount of damage that we're seeing here, chances are that the insurance is not going to cover the damage on this roof. However, you never know, and it's always worth trying. I did want to point out one other thing on this roof in general. Over here, you'll see that I actually have some nails that we pointed out with chalk. Those are exposed. So all of these exposed nail heads is just a great place for water to migrate and create damage in the future. So we want to go ahead and silicone those up as well, make sure that's properly sealed. As a whole on this roof, I don't think that insurance will play a big role in this part. However, it's definitely time for a new roof with the amount of damage that we're seeing here. If you look at the edge of pretty much all of these shingles, you'll see that silvering look. What that is all of the granules gone on all the edge of all these shingles. Definitely a major concern. All in all, I definitely suggest looking at our next steps. This is again Jacob with Red Rock Roofing, standing for greatness.